Very good morning to all of you. Welcome in EVS Spirit. So today we are going to start our second lesson of Unit 1. Before that, I would like to recall your memory. In previous lesson, we saw our family. Correct everybody? A family can be small or big. We all live with our family, but where do you know? Yes, in our house. We live with our family in a house. So today our chapter is what? Our houses. So have a look. We live with our family in a house. We live within our family in a house. A house is our home. We all are live in your family ना? Yes. And where? House. हम सब घर में रहते हैं ना. Our house is our home. Our house protect us from heat, cold and rain. It keep us safe from thieves and wild animals. You know very well. A house keep us from rainy season, winter as well as summer also. And also keep thieves. Thief means what? Yes, chore and wild animals. Those animal that living in forest. Now have a look. There are many types of houses. Houses may be big or small. In house also there are two type of house are there. One is big and second one small. They may be pakka houses or kacha houses. In that pakka and kacha. See, observe this picture carefully. Here it is a what? Hut. Jhopri hai. And these two houses, mud. Now first we will start from kacha house. Kacha houses are not very strong. They are generally found villages. They are made of mud, stone, leaves, stick, straw and bamboo. Now कच्चा houses are not very strong. कच्चा house जो रहते हैं वो बहुत strong नहीं आते हैं. They are generally found where? कहाँ दिखाई देते हैं हमें? Mostly in villages. Means गाँव में. They are made of mud, मट्टी, stone पत्थर, leaves means पत्ते, stick लकड़ी, straw घास फूस and bamboo. And some are with courtyards. Courtyards means what? Veranda. The place out of the house. Getting? Now, in cities and towns, most people live in pakka houses. Now, what is next? The pakka houses. Pakka houses where we are found in cities and town. जो सिटी रहती है वहाँ बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग दिखाई देते हैं ना. सो इट इज़ अ पक्का हाउसेज. दीज हाउसेज आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड परमानेंट हाउसेज. पक्का हाउस को और क्या कहते हैं? परमानेंट हाउसेज. दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग. नाउ सी, पक्का हाउसेज आर वेरी strong and big. They are made of bricks, cement and concrete. और वो किससे बने होते हैं? ब्रिक्स, इटकर, cement, concrete. What it is? Concrete is a mixture of small stone, sand, cement and water. So got all of you? Kacha houses and pakka houses. Now see, observe this picture of bungalow. It is which type of house, student? Yes, it is a pakka house. Now have a look. Pakka houses in city are buildings and bungalows. See, this is spelling. Pakka houses in cities are buildings and bungalow. A bungalow has one or two stories, usually with a veranda around it. और bungalow में क्या रहते हैं? One or two stories means not one or two. In that, so many rooms are there ना. This is called stories and it is with a veranda. See, just now explain veranda, the space out of your house. Getting all of you? Got? Now see, it is a multi-storied building. What it is? Multi-storied building. In building, so many people they are living together. Means multi-purpose. Oh, so many. Building with many floor storites are called multi-storied building. What is the meaning of multi-storied? Building with many floors. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 floors are there na. So it is a multi-storied floor or stories. It is called a multi-storied building. Each house in this building is called a flat. And see here, each house. ये building में जो भी एक house रहता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? It is a flat. Some buildings are very tall. They are called skyscraper. Now see, what is a skyscraper? A tall means बहुत लंबी जो रहती है ना बिल्डिंग उसे क्या कहते हैं? स्काई Scraper. SKYSCRAPER. Sky scrapers. All houses have doors and window to let in air and sunlight. See here, observe this. Windows and door also. So all houses have doors and window. Why? So fresh air we can take inside in the morning as well as full day, and sunlight also come inside now. So all houses have what? Doors and window. So air and sunlight will come inside. We need fresh air and sunlight also we want. Some people also live in other kinds of houses, and some people also live what? Other kinds of houses also. So you got. Now have observed this picture. Only look it carefully. Tree house. First one is what? Tree house. A house which one is built on the tree. जो tree के ऊपर बना है. Houseboat. Houseboat सुना है नाम? It is mostly found in Kashmir. Wooden log cabin. Wooden means what? लकड़ी से बना हुआ. A house on stilts in shallow water. Shallow थोड़ा सा पानी उसके ऊपर house बना है. Tent which can be folded and carry along. Tent. Temporary house. Which can be folded anytime. यानी हम कभी भी उससे फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. We can take from one place to another place easily. Now igloo. Igloo made of blocks of ice. Igloo किससे बना है? Ice के जो blocks रहते हैं ना, see here. It is made of blocks of ice. Have you understood all of you? What is a house? So today we will stop over here. In that kacha house and pakka house we have learned, and in that next period we have study more about it. So till then, thank you, bye bye, have a good day. And whatever homework I am going to give you, you have to copy in your notebook in correct and good handwriting. Correct, student? And it is compulsory for all. And while writing homework, write to day and date and lesson name also proper in your notebook. Till then, take care and thank you.